So I believe we're viewed as an industry leader. We're always trying to come up with new innovation and add things to make our customer experience better. Things are changing rapidly in the industry, and we have to keep looking for the next thing, keep advancing our products and advance how we produce those products to come with a solution that's a win-win for all of us.
Current industry, a lot of people, when they want to put pavers into, say, like their gardens, into a road system, they usually opt for like a cement paver, because when you're setting these stones, you need a specific spacing between each stone as you set it into the ground. With concrete, they can form their spacers right away with their block as they cast it. With granite, you can't.
TabStone is a product that was developed to add spacers directly onto a piece of stone. The benefit is you get the quality and the look of natural stone while decreasing the amount of time it takes for somebody in the field to set it.
If you've ever seen granite, it's absolutely stunning. It has hundreds, if not thousands, of different colors and designs, and so now it opens up the doors to a whole entire new product line. And from a setting standpoint, it does improve the time considerably.
With this, you can just keep setting pieces in, the grout lines remain consistent. It turns out with a very nice product in the end. So the manufacturing of the product is fairly hands-off. When we set a piece of stone into the system, we're using some cameras to identify where do we want to cut it at to get the most yield out of the slab. We'll run it into the machine, it'll make those cuts, and then we'll start auto unloading with robots onto different conveyors, feeding into the TabCell line, where it'll start picking up individual pieces and applying the spacer to it. Our patented process on adhering the spacer to the pavers is pretty cool. We're able to pick each paver up individually, apply a spacer to each side, and then set it down in a palleting sequence that we can send right out to the customer.
The technology has changed quite a bit since I've come out here. I've been out here for 5.5 years. Went from stacking bricks by hand to having a robot do it. For the operator, it's physically easier on your body, and it saves some time by not having to stack them by hand.
There's definitely a sense of pride working on a project of this size and magnitude. This is why I became an engineer in the first place, to work on projects like these and to actually make an impact. That is one of the biggest emphasis I could say on what it means to make my mark here at Coldspring.
I think my favorite part about TabStone was the development of it. To be able to see it from start to finish and know the process that it took to get there. And then all those team members that were involved along the way to make it happen. We couldn't have done it if we wouldn't have all worked together and been a team. And then seeing it come to fruition in the end, well, that was my favorite part of the job. With Coldspring, you can make your mark.